What's up guys, welcome back to DevWebby, and today we are gonna learn about collection types in Swift 3. So first open up Xcode 8, click on get started with a playground, leave it as my playground or you guys can name whatever you guys want, hit next and create. Erase this part, whatever it came. And we're just gonna resize it. Okay, so Swift 3, let me comment down as well. Swift 3 provides three primary collection types. Swift 3 provides three primary collection types, which are arrays, sets, and dictionaries. There's three primary collection types are for storing collection of values. Are storing collections of values. But in this tutorial, we are gonna do work with arrays. And then for our following ones, we're gonna do sets and dictionaries later on. But right now, we are gonna focus on arrays. So to create an empty array, assume that you guys have a variable. First we want to declare, we want to say var, right? And we want to put a name as in some ints, and we want to open our brackets to create our array, and then our type, what we want. So we want our type to be integer, and we want to create our empty array, which we want as in two parentheses and close the parentheses. This will print out an empty array, as you guys see over here when it executed. And if you want to create an empty string, or you can say something like this: var some steer, as is short for string, and equals to string and a empty parentheses. This will be a empty string. See, empty string, empty array. If we want to add some values, we are going to use something like this. We are calling our variable, which we want, which is some ints, right? And we are using a keyword called append. It's like an element. The append keyword over here allows us to add a new element. So I'm just gonna drop in a number in our some ints append. So I can say something like 5. And then this will print out 5 in a array. And then if we want to print out a string, right, we can say some strings dot append, and in our quotations we can say hello, something like that. See, we'll print out hello in a brackets array. See, but look the catch, because over here we have said it's a string, right? We have declared that it's a string, so that's why it's printing out a string. But if you want to put a integer inside the array, let's say for instance 9, what will do? It will give you an error. And the error will say cannot convert value of type int to execute argument type string. See? So it obviously gotta be string because we have declared over here. If we put some ints and then the number, then it will do something. But right now we have says some string, which is a string. So we say hello. Yes, and next, creating an array by adding two arrays together. So you guys know how to create an empty array. Now we are gonna create an array by adding two arrays together. So you can create a new array by adding together two existing arrays, right? With like computable types with additional operator, which is the plus operator, which is this. So I'm just gonna comment down what you can do. So you can create an array by adding two and then existing, right, arrays with countable types with the additional operator, which is this. Let's comment this out. Comment this out. Okay, so for instance, we have something. I'm just gonna call out this our variable sum ints. So we say sum ints, and we are using the plus operator, the addition operator, which is plus, and we want to equal to, and we're just gonna create an array. And inside our array, we are gonna put in two numbers. So I can say 7 and 9. What will it do? It will print out 5, 7, and 9. How? See, over here we said sum int append 5, right? It print out 5. And what this plus equals do, it will add and continue this sum ints array. As first we said 5, and then we want to add more numbers or like text or something. It's like continuing the row. I can do something like this. I can say 6 and 7, right? What? Look, it's going by order and order. First you print out 5 as the starting number, and then you are continuing basically. You hit plus equals so you can add those numbers so you can continue the list or the array. That's how you do it. Next, finally, for this tutorial, we are gonna get a value in an array. How to get a value in an array, right? Let's write that. How to get a value in an array. So, how to get a value in an array is you use a print function, and inside the print, you just call it as sum. Let me make this. We say sum ints, and inside our array, we are gonna count from 0. You know, in programming, we always start from 0. So over here, when you guys go over here, for this, to get a value in an array, we're just gonna go to our integer, our sum ints name, and over here, write equals. We just want to add something. We want to add some integers, so it can be easy. I'll show you guys in a bit. So by adding it, we can say we got 7, 8, 11, let's say. We are getting an error, right? Says missing argument, array literal. So we put some integers into our array and hit the red arrow right here and just hit fix it right here and click insert array literal. And it will and the error will go away. So as we said over here, sum ends with 1, because what is 1? 8, right? So we're starting from 0, which is 0 will be 7, 1 will be 8, 2 will be 11. So look the execution, it print out 8 right here, and over here, 8 right there. Types of arrays. If you guys have any issues or problems, just shoot me a comment below, and I will see you guys on to the next video. Thank you.